Today we'll be assembling a base end cabinet. For the construction of this cabinet, you will need wood glue, rubber mallet, electric drill, box cutter, and a Phillips bit. You may also use a pneumatic brad nailer or staple gun for the construction of this cabinet. We recommend using 18-inch brads or staples for this. Using the box cutter, remove the tape from around the box. Remove the box contents and place onto a smooth, non-abrasive surface to avoid scratching. The contents of the package are as follows: 4 balsa wood pieces, 2 door hinges, 4 small screws, 2 medium screws, 9 long screws, 4 shelf clips, 4 corner stabilizers, 1 shelf, bottom and top panels, toe kit, rear panel, front painted frame, and door. Start by laying the front frame with the backside facing towards you. Place a small bead of glue along the top and bottom grooves, as well as one of the side grooves. Insert top and bottom panels onto the frame. Keep in mind the direction of the cabinet once it is completed. Place glue onto the grooves of the larger side panel. Align the side panel with the top and bottom panels and slide into the frame. Use the mallet to ensure the panel is properly installed. Let the glue dry for 3 to 5 hours before moving on to the next step. Place glue onto grooves of the shorter side panel, as well as onto the groove of the remaining side of the frame. Align panel with the top and bottom panels and slide into the front frame. Use the rubber mallet to insert the panel fully. Place glue onto the grooves of the rear panel and place on the back of the cabinet between the 2 side panels. Drill in 4 medium silver screws onto the pre-drilled holes at the back of the cabinet. Place corner stabilizers resting above the top panel. Then screw on onto side and rear panels with the large screws as shown. Repeat the process for the bottom of the cabinet. Next, flip the cabinet upside down with the bottom facing you. Place glue along the shorter sides of the balsa triangles and place them onto the rear side of the cabinet. Next, align the toe kit with the front of the cabinet. Place glue onto the triangles and place them onto the back of the toe kit and sides of the cabinet as shown. Allow the glue to dry before moving on to the next step. Insert door hinges onto the back of the door as shown. Drive in small silver screws provided to hold the hinges in place. Insert shelf clips onto the desired height holes. Keep in mind that they will have to be on the same level. Rest the shelf on the clips. Align the hinges with the pre-drilled holes on the frame of the cabinet, driving the remaining 2 large screws to hold the door in place. Your cabinet is now complete.